Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. This video is regarding uh, for all the applicants who want to immigrate to Canada, and with 35 point, even if you score 35 point or more in your application with the points like your age, experience, education, and all other admissibility points, if you have all those points and even you score 35 or more, then you can be eligible under this program. This is a federal program and for all the self-employed person. This is an immigration destination for self-employed cultural worker, musicians, artists, and athletes. This let's go more into detail about this program, what this program is, and how the self-employed people can get benefited from them. Canada's federal program for self-employed person allow people with experience in athletics or arts and culture to apply for Canadian permanent residence. Self-employed individuals have the possibility of becoming permanent residents in Canada based on their work experience and their intention to continue working for themselves. This federal self-employed person program allows individuals who are eligible to have relevant experience in athletics, arts and culture to apply for the permanent residence. Now let me tell you like what are the criteria and what they are looking when they are calling it as a self-employed person. Only the those people under these categories, they have some categories they have mentioned under which you can only be eligible as under this self-employed person category. The good point about this is there is no regulated minimum net worth required for you to be eligible under this category. Canada's self-employed person program allow eligible self-employed foreign national with the relevant experience, that one I mentioned before. Um, Candidate for the self-employed person must have an experience, intention, and ability to make a significant contribution to Canada's cultural life or sports in Canada. Interested candidate must meet both the eligibility requirement, achieve at least a minimum passing mark, that is 70 out of 100, not 70, 35 out of 100, sorry. So the one I already mentioned. Under the program selection criteria in order to be considered for immigration as a self-employed person. In this category, the processing time at this moment is between 17 to 18 months. It used to be 7 years before. Under the Trudeau government, it has gone down drastically. Eligibility requirements, if we have a look at that, the foreign national must first meet the Government of Canada's definition of a self-employed person in order to be considered eligible for assessment. The self-employed person is defined as someone with the relevant self-employed experience in a cultural or athletic activity. Relevant experience consists of at least 2 years of experience either as a self-employed in or participating at a world-class level in the cultural activities or athletics as defined by IRCC. If you have participated at the world level in any of these activities, you are eligible, or you have at least 2 years of experience as a self-employed in any of these categories which I'm going to mention, then you will be eligible. Under the self-employed person program, eligible occupation with Canada's artistic, cultural and athletic field must include or any of these categories. Just now you guys need to pay attention on this one. Librarians, conservators and curators, archivists, authors and writers, editors, journalists, professional occupation in public relation and communication, translator, terminologist and interpreters, producer, director, choreographers and related occupations in the film industry, conductors, composers and arrangers, musicians and singers, dancers, actors and comedians, painters, sculptors, and other visual artists. Now let's see what are the technical categories they come under this one. If we look at the technical and skilled occupation in art, culture, recreation, and sport, they are library and public archive technicians, technical occupation related to museum and art galleries, photography, film and video camera operators, graphic art technicians, broadcasting technicians, audio and video recording technicians, other technical and coordinating occupation in motion pictures, broadcasting and performing arts, supporting occupations in motion picture, broadcasting and performing arts, announcers and other broadcasters, graphic designers and illustrators, interior designers and interior decorators, theater, fashion, exhibit, and other creative designers, artisans and craftsperson, pattern makers, textile, leather, and fur products, athletes, coaches, sports officials, and referees, program leaders and instructors in recreation, sports, and fitness activities. So these are the categories under the regular self-employed and some of the technical categories. If you are in any of these categories, you have 2 years of experience as a self-employed, like you are running your own business under any of these categories, or you have performed under any of these categories at the world level and you have the supporting documents, then we can submit your application and get you here with the PR in 2 years. Processing time 17-18 months after we submitted the whole application. Now, as I mentioned before, passing points are only 35 out of 100. If you have an experience, you can get up to maximum of 35 points. For your age, you can get maximum of 10 points. Ability in English or French, like your IELTS score or French language test score, you can get up to 24 points, and adaptability factors up to 6 points. So these up to points will maximum go up to 100, and if you score 35 out of that, you are eligible and you have a chance to get your permanent residence in Canada. I just want to mention that even if you are up to age 53 or 54 plus, you can still be eligible under this category. But again, make sure that when you are going through this, make sure you go through the consultant or a lawyer who have a deep knowledge about this category. Some people don't even know about this category still exists. This is a federal program and you are eligible to settle down anywhere in Canada. As I mentioned before, uh, the experience, age, education, ability in English, and adaptability, these are the few factors under which we will calculate your score and we can let you know whether you are eligible. And again, you need to listen carefully those categories I mentioned before: professional occupation in art and culture, and technical and skilled occupation in art, culture, recreation, and sports. If you are under any of those, you are eligible. So that was a little update about the self-employed person under this Canadian Immigration Federal Program. So under the art and cultural program. So if you have any question regarding this, you can book a consultation with us. We can guide you the right path and how to submit the application, and we can also help you submit your application. So that was a little update. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.